Thank you for buying this 15585 Baler unit from Fixturedisplays. The unit measures about 57 inches wide, left and right, and front to back is 25 inches. Overall height is 102 inches. This unit weighs about 925 pounds. I'm going to show you how to use this unit. This steel wire is used to pull the bales out after compression. We're going to feed that through the back and then onto the top. To do that, we're going to open the front door and feed these two ropes, or this one rope and two arms, through the channel into the back. If you have any questions, so we're going to open up the back door, have the wires come out. Feel free to email us, cs@charliesam@fixturedisplays.com. The side panel is flexible to allow you to open and close the back door. Now we're going to feed this all the way up to the hose on the very top so that it remains in the optimal position during the baling operation. This is the on-off switch. We are going to switch it on. And this is how you operate. Push in to drop the compression head and then pull up to release. Now we're going to turn this off in the off position and then put in the corrugated boards and close the front door. Now we're going to turn it on and start the compression baling process. This works great for corrugated plastic bottles or other materials. This handle, you want to make sure when you compress, it go all the way down, and when you release, go all the way up. When not in use, you want to make sure you turn the switch off. Once the switch is off, you can open the door and start to use wires to tie up your bale. You're going to feed the wire through this little space right here. And then come into the back and then tie it up and use pressure. Then this rope we prepped earlier would help take the bale out of the unit. This unit runs on 110 volts and requires 40 amps circuit. The power is about 4,000 watts. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to email us, cs@charliesam@fixturedisplays.com. You can also text message us, 630-296-4190. We can also make other sizes balers for you as well. Thank you once again for shopping Fixturedisplays.